Wow. So look at AAME. We were looking at this on the last video. So the thing just kept going crazier and crazier and crazier. So I decided, let me jump in. And it's still going crazy. So I decided, let me jump in. So I jumped in here. It got halted right up here. When the halt opened up, it dropped. So I doubled up. Actually, I tripled up. If you look, I bought 4,000 here, 4,000 here, 4,000 here. And as soon as it popped, I was selling right there at 1134. And then it just kept going. So this thing is ridiculous right now. So I decided to jump in one last time. I jumped in at 1298. And then it looked like it was about to come down on me. So I ended up selling at 1304. And as you can see, it dropped from there. And now it's just basically going sideways. It did go down a little bit, and then boom, it exploded again. Now it's pulling back again. It may continue to go. But yeah, we ended up we ended up cleaning house on this one. Um, let's go over here real quick. So 1128. So I was up two grand this morning. These were the trades from this morning, but now with these with these trades, now I'm up 11,280 in 1 hour. I think I'm gonna call it a day right now. But this thing still looks strong. So look at this. I was done at 932, but because this thing was so strong, and I was talking about it in the last video, and man, I decided let me just pull the trigger, and wow, 11,280. All right, guys. I'm going to keep this one short. I'll keep you guys updated if I take a couple more trades. We'll see what happens next. All right. Talk to you guys soon.